In this quick video, I will show you step by step how to deposit and withdraw money in Exam Broker. If you have account, guys, and want to deposit, first, you should be verified your identity. To make this easy, just click continue and verify your option here. You will see the validation. Write your ID validation from here. Click IU project. This one starts. And then upload your ID or driver license or passport. After that, when you complete these steps, go to here, this option mode, and then scroll down. You scroll down, click on deposit option. From the deposit option, click deposit one. After that, you can deposit through your credit card. After that, you should be verify your account, and then you can deposit directly with Skrill. Just try to Skrill this one Skrill account, your email, and then, for example, this is my email. After that, write amount you want to deposit. Make sure you have 5 USD minimum and click this one, for example, 100 USD. And then click deposit. If you want to withdraw, just click withdraw option, click withdraw or transfer. After that, you should be verify your ID and then link your account exam to your credit card. So you can with your credit card, guys. So guys, just click your credit card and then you will be withdraw successfully. And also you can withdraw through Skrill. I hope this guide helpful for your friends. Don't forget to give like and share this video.